enormous tornado devastates residences in Jiangsu, China, a story of unity and recovery. A devastating tornado struck numerous communities in the Dafeng district of Yancheng City, Jiangsu Province, on August 13, 2023. Around 4 p.m., a tornado struck, unleashing its fury for 10 relentless minutes and leaving a trail of devastation in its wake.
Around the Celestine with a devastating utterly.
With wind speeds reaching an astonishing 80 km per hour recorded by ground-based automated systems, meteorologists classified this natural disaster as a moderate-intensity event. Witnesses described how the sky abruptly darkened and a fierce wind tore the tops of buildings away. Videos showed how strong the tornado was as it tore off roofs, scattered crops, and swept debris into the air. Some dwellings' structural integrity was compromised by the impact, resulting in partial or whole collapses. Due to downed trees destroying electrical lines, there were several power disruptions in the aftermath. Local government agencies quickly mobilized in response to restore power and create stability in the impacted areas. Emergency services, fire protection, power restoration, healthcare, and civil affairs all worked together in a coordinated effort that took place. Communities came together to support those affected by the calamity, displaying a spirit of solidarity and resiliency. The process of recovery and reconstruction started with the start of the evacuation and resettlement activities. To restore power and provide stability in the affected areas, local government agencies rapidly deployed. A concerted effort was made by emergency services, fire protection, electricity restoration, healthcare, and civil affairs. Communities banded together in a spirit of unity and resiliency to aid those impacted by the disaster. With the beginning of the evacuation and relocation efforts, the process of recovery and reconstruction got underway. As the recovery process unfolds, it serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of community solidarity, compassion, and preparedness. Facing the evolving challenges of our changing climate, this disaster highlights the collective responsibility in building a safer and more resilient future for all.